Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to do the half double crochet, single crochet two together. So this is just a decrease, so over the next 2 stitches we're going to make 1 stitch. In this first stitch we're going to start with a half double crochet decrease, which is a yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, and then we're going to finish our decrease the way you would finish a single crochet decrease, just by insert, pull up a loop, and now we are going to complete the decrease, yarn over, pull through all loops, and that's our special decrease. So let's do it one more time. Over these next 2 stitches we're going to start with a half double crochet decrease and finish with a single crochet decrease. So yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, insert in the next, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all loops. I hope you found this helpful.